So in the overnight session, for the most part, the market has been balancing in the upper part of yesterday's range, and buyers have been active at support. Now, heading into the open, our intermediate and bigger picture bias will continue to be bullish, and our short-term bias will continue to be neutral bullish. And the larger time frame question now is whether we are going to get any kind of follow through to the upside. Because so far, the market is still trading within a very defined balance area and range that has been built over the last several days. And now that ES has had a chance to balance in the upper part of that range, the question is, are we now going to get a breakout attempt to a new all-time high? On the downside, we have initial support at 5,087 quarter to 97 quarter, and holding above that area would still leave yesterday's breakout intact. So that means buyers can maintain control above initial support. And if the market is going to attempt a breakout to a new all-time high, then ideally we want to see buyers holding ES above the initial support zone, which is a intraday bias changing zone. And then on the upside, we have pre-market resistance at 51.05 to 51.08, followed by the initial resistance zone at 51.11 quarter to 16 quarter, and a breakout above initial resistance would be an intraday bullish indication, and from there ES can test the all-time high area at 51.18.5 to 23.5, and a break and hold above that zone on broad market strength and sustained upside momentum would serve as a bullish confirmation. And then beyond 51.23.5, there is no hard resistance, but based on the range expectation, a successful breakout to a new all-time high could lead to a test of 51.35 quarter to 45 quarter, and potentially 51.50.75 to 56.75, and by that point in time the market would begin exhausting the range potential of the day, and then 51.77 quarter to 87 quarter is the range extreme. Considering it's a Friday and we're heading into the weekend, it's unlikely that we're going to hit the range extreme, but a successful breakout above 51.23.5 could certainly lead to a test of 51.35 quarter to 45 quarter, and maybe even the range exhaustion zone. As long as we're holding above the initial support zone, yesterday's breakout can remain in play, and our focus should be more so on the long side. So that is the market context and plan heading into the open. Let's see how the real-time situation shapes up and how the market behaves at the initial support zone. That's going to provide us with an early indication as to which side is in control, and we'll take it from there.